For years, when people talked about Vossen, they talked about luxury builds, Euro platforms, deep concave exotics, not necessarily the American muscle that fills the US streets. But lately, more dealers, more builders, and more attention is shifting in favor of American muscle. So, what's changed? Because this shift didn't happen overnight, and it's not just about new designs. Something behind the scenes started evolving, and most people didn't even realize it. So Jereme invited us out to Vossen's Miami headquarters and brought the story back here to see what it actually looks like when that shift hits the domestic market. Because this isn't just about where the wheels are made, it's about why more dealers are starting to run them and why you should too. When we first started walking through Vossen's Miami facility, one thing quickly became clear. This wasn't just about refining and releasing new designs, it's about making their wheels accessible to all.
The big questions we get is, if you have a fitment that I want, but you don't keep it in stock, can you do it? And that's where this comes into play. We talked about the Mustangs. I keep 20 by 9.5, 20 by 10.5 in stock, but a guy might want, like for your vehicle, a 20 by 10, a 20 by 11. There's guys that want even wider, maybe 10.5, 11.5. I might not stock that, but we could definitely make it in almost all our designs.
And in a market where domestic builds are getting wider, lower, and more aggressive, fitment isn't just a small detail anymore, it's everything.
We're gonna do your bolt pattern, we're gonna do the center bore, we're gonna do the back pad, and we're gonna tailor a hybrid forge wheel, almost like a forge wheel, specifically to your vehicle.
Okay.
So it'll be hub-centric, it won't need spacers, it's gonna sit right at the edge of the fender. We could accommodate, might be running a wider tire, we'll bring the offset in a little bit. You might be running a narrow tire, we'll bring it out. But the goal is to give you a fully custom wheel without having to get into the big forge pricing, you know?
Instead of forcing customers into spacers or compromises, Vossen is engineering the wheel around the car. It's done by a robot, I fear?
It's all programmed through our engineers. Once it comes through, it's gonna get scanned. The robot's gonna take the wheels in and out of the machine, and based on the information on here, the machine's gonna know what to do to this exact wheel. Once it comes out, it'll go over to JC. JC will just triple check that the machine did what it was supposed to do.
Okay.
He'll do a little bit of deburring, and from here we'll go into prep and get ready for powder.
And that's where the shift really starts to make sense, because it's not just customization, it's consistent precision at scale.
And how many of these wheels go through here today?
I would say between 60 and 80 wheels.
Every day?
Every day.
And you guys are 7 days a week in this?
6 days a week,
6 days
essentially,
a week?
for the hybrid. Yep.
Cool.
Yeah.
And that's the part most people just don't get to see. Because what could sound like a long production time custom program on the outside is actually a system engineered to move fast and maximize results without cutting corners.
So once the wheels come out of machining, the next step is we're gonna prep them. Our guys are just gonna give them some light sanding, get out any imperfections, and get them really ready to take in that powder
They
coat.
all go through this. Everyone touched by hand.
Every single wheel. Every single wheel is gonna get touched by one of our guys and make sure it's got no details that we might miss.
Automation can get you precision, but quality comes down to the people behind the scenes. Because scale only works if you maintain the same level of quality.
Once the wheels come out of powder, we got these bright white lights, so they're gonna come in, they're gonna check them. You'll see like on these, they might have a couple points that either need a little bit of sanding, a little bit of fixing. If it's something that cannot be fixed to get it perfect, the wheel will be rejected, go to the strip
this is
tag.
every single wheel.
Every single wheel. It's part of our TUV certification that everything needs to be checked, everything needs to be noted to be able to keep up the standards that are needed for that.
And that's where the Vossen difference really starts to show. Because in a domestic world where builds are getting wider, fitment isn't just aesthetic anymore, it's engineering.
Our engineering office guy is my friend Bill from Turn 14. Give him a tour. So all the forge orders go through here. If we have a fitment question, I'm not sure that's gonna clear the brakes on the hybrid forge side. They have brake profiles, diagrams, they'll be able to check fitments, make sure, hey, that's actually what that also will hit the brakes. You need to push out a little bit more. And they're the back end to all our success, you know. Without them, we can't really do much.
You gotta figure it out.
Yeah.
What market do you think has like the most potential for growth for Vossen?
I feel like we're doing very well in every market, but there's always more, you know. whether it's be smaller wheels for different applications, bigger wheels, wider wheels. There's always something, and we're very in tune with what the market is asking for.
Okay.
And we do our best to really put our ears on the streets and to our dealers and distributors and try to feel out what they want and what they need to be able to compete against XYZ brands. And that's what we try to do and develop and grow and bring product in.
And that might be the biggest shift of all. Not just building wheels, but building around the people selling them. And when you start seeing how many people actually touch a wheel before it ships, it changes the way you look at the finished product.
So on the Ford side, all our wheels start as a raw blank. These are our raw forgings, like we talked about earlier. You can't even pick these guys up.
What, 200 pounds?
These will come in on an average of 180, 200 pounds, depending on the size. Once they go through their first step in the lathe, they'll get shaved down maybe 70% to 80%. And at the end of it, you could start with a block like this and end up with a wheel that might weigh 23, 24 pounds. And this is all 100% US made, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is made here in the US from start to finish. Everything is done here.
So that wheel will become a match for that.
Yeah, so basically here you have a lathe forging, which is already much lighter than what we tried to pick up earlier. From here, we'll go into the machine, which you'll be able to see if you step up. Be able to see the process of cutting it.
So some of these forged wheels, a set, you could easily have a day of labor, 24 hours of
Essentially.
cutting just
Correct,
to get
yeah.
that out of that. Yeah.
So every department has a queue set up of orders waiting to get up to their turn
How
for.
many do you have delays cutting these wheels?
The mills, we have 28 mills.
28?
Yeah, here.
So that's what's being made.
Correct, yep. And then again, this is all paperwork that's needed for the TV certification, the tolerances, dimensions, all the details, and it goes getting filled out as we go. There's certain things that to do it right, you just cannot have robots or machines do. You want to have
You're getting your
hands.
hands on a Vossen wheel. There's a good possibility that 10 to 12 employees had their hands on it before it made it to you.
Easily, yeah. Yeah, especially when you come into a wheel like this where the centers were brushed in the brushing department, the lips were polished by one of their guys over here. You know, the inner barrels were prepped by the prep queue area that we saw with the cool tables. And then after everything is powdered and done, it comes and gets assembled here. You want everything down to perfection because any little thing could cause catastrophe.
And especially at this level, I'm assuming these are your most expensive wheels.
Correct.
The three-piece Ford.
Yeah, so three-piece start anywhere from about 12,000, go up to maybe about 18,000.
Okay.
And then through the same department, we do our carbon two-piece wheels,
Okay.
which those start at about 24,000 and go up to about 29,000. Our customers hold us liable to that. They know when they're purchasing our product,
At that
they
price
expect
point,
perfection.
I definitely understand.
They might be lenient with other guys. With us, they want it.
And the carbon stuff is also assembled all here.
It's all here. So we use Dimag barrels, which are made in the UK,
Okay.
but they're completely assembled with our centers, our titanium hardware. Everything else is from us. So we have, you know, our own branded lugs. They've got our logo on the head of them. I mean, it's just a nice product.
And they're aluminum too.
Uh,
that was unique.
So the 20-piece lugs are aluminum. Our SUV and truck lugs that come in 24 and 32 packs, those are all steel.
Okay.
As well as our lug bolts for like the European vehicles, those are steel as well. But for the guys, again, with the Mustangs, the Camaros, they're very lightweight aluminum, whether it be the lugs or the locks.
And that's where things start to shift for dealers, because it stops being just another wheel brand and it starts becoming a full catalog they can actually build around.
So Jerry, one of the things our customers always ask us is why Vossen?
The standard of quality that we hold for our wheel. So whether it's, you know, your guy with just a straight out of the box GT, a guy that might be Whippled, a guy that's making big power, you know that the product's gonna hold. And like we talked about with the custom program or even our off the shelf, we really try to dial in the right fitment, make sure that we're getting the wheels nice and flush to the fender, which is what most guys are looking for. That it can be adjusted to run the max size tire. You know, and obviously aesthetics is huge. We try to keep a pulse on the market, the styling cues that people are going for, whether you want more spokes, less spokes, you want your brake calipers exposed. We're not big on, well, I got this, but it might need spacers, you know? So as soon as a new chassis comes out, a new model comes out, we do our best to get our hands on that car, measure the calipers, measure the fenders and suspension relations to make sure we have the right fitment. We're probably one of the first companies to put wheels on the C8 platform in general, which is a great key to the success on there. But we have guys that want something a little bit different. They might want something a little bit wider, or in rare cases more conservative. That's where our custom program kicks in, where I might not have it in stock today, but it might take me 1 to 2 weeks to custom make it around what you want.
And after walking the floor, seeing how it's built, and watching how much goes into every finish and every fitment, you start to understand why more dealers are starting to look to Vossen to set the tone. From Vossen's extensive fitment applications to the engineering, finishing, and even their custom program, there's a lot more that goes into the product than most people ever get to see. I mean, huge thanks to Jereme and the entire team of Vossen for opening up their doors to us and giving us a look at what goes into every wheel you guys produce.
No, thank you to the whole team of Turn 14, coming out, checking out what we do, how we do it, why our product meets the standards that it does. I'm excited for more people to see it, see the applications we can do, whether it's something we have on the shelf, something custom like we did right here, and just no limitations on all the domestic vehicles and vehicles in general that we can meet.
Perfect. If you are a Turn 14 dealer and want to know more about Vossen fitment and application, or even better, you're ready to place an order, these wheels are in stock and available right now, so reach out to your Turn 14 representative for more information.